Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Service-to-service authentication in a microservices world, a comprehensive tutorial. Microservices architecture provides numerous benefits, including scalability, independent deployments, and technology diversity. However, this distributed nature introduces complexities in managing security, especially when services need to authenticate and authorize requests to each other. This tutorial provides a detailed overview of service-to-service, S2S, authentication in a microservices environment, covering the concepts, common strategies, and practical code examples. Understanding the challenges. Before diving into solutions, let's outline the challenges of securing inter-service communication. 1. Complexity *. Directly embedding authentication logic in each service leads to code duplication, maintenance overhead, and inconsistent security policies. 2. Security risks *. Directly sharing secrets, like API keys or passwords, between services increases the attack surface. Compromise of one service could expose credentials for others. 3. Scalability *. As the number of services grows, managing and rotating credentials becomes a logistical nightmare. 4. Auditability *. Tracking and auditing inter-service communication is challenging without a centralized authentication and authorization mechanism. 5. Dynamic environments *. Microservices are often deployed and scaled dynamically, requiring authentication solutions that can adapt to changes in the service topology. 2. Key concepts. Authentication * verifying the identity of the service making the request. It answers the question "Who are you?" Authorization * determining whether the authenticated service has the necessary permissions to access the requested resource. It answers the question "Are you allowed to do this?" Identity propagation * passing the original user's identity, if applicable, through the service chain to ensure proper authorization and auditing throughout the system. Mutual TLS, MTLS a TLS, transport layer security, connection where both the client and the server verify each other's identity using digital certificates. JSON Web Tokens, JWT a compact, URL-safe means of representing claims to be transferred between two parties. JWTs are commonly used to securely transmit user information and permissions. Service registry * a central repository that holds information about available services in the environment, including their addresses. API gateway * a single entry point for external requests to the microservices. It can handle authentication, authorization, routing, and other cross-cutting concerns. 3. Common S2S authentication strategies. Several strategies can be used to implement S2S authentication. We'll explore some of the most common. 1. API keys *. Description * each service is assigned a unique API key. The requesting service includes the API key in the request headers or query parameters. The receiving service validates the API key against a stored list. Pros * simple to implement. Cons * relatively insecure. API keys can be easily exposed or stolen. Difficult to manage at scale, especially when rotating them. Not suitable for fine-grained authorization. 2. Mutual TLS, MTLS. Description * services authenticate each other using X.509 certificates. Each service presents its certificate to the other during the TLS handshake. The receiving service verifies the certificate against a trusted certificate authority, CA. Pros * strong authentication based on cryptographic principles. Provides encryption in transit. Asterisk cons asterisk more complex to set up and manage due to certificate generation, distribution, and rotation. Requires infrastructure to support certificate management. 3 JSON Web Tokens, JWT. Asterisk description asterisk one service, typically an authentication service, issues JWTs to other services after successful authentication. These JWTs contain claims about the service's identity and permissions. The requesting service includes the JWT in the request headers, usually in the authorization bearer JWT header. The receiving service validates the JWT signature and claims. Asterisk pros asterisk flexible and scalable. JWTs can contain custom claims for fine-grained authorization. Can be used with different authentication flows. Asterisk cons asterisk requires a dedicated authentication service. JWTs need to be short-lived and rotated regularly to mitigate security risks. Proper handling of JWT signing keys is crucial. 4 Service mesh asterisk. Asterisk description asterisk a dedicated infrastructure layer that handles service-to-service communication, including authentication, authorization, and observability. Service meshes often leverage MTLS and JWTs for S2S authentication. Examples include Istio, Linkerd, and Console Connect. Asterisk pros asterisk simplifies S2S communication and security. Provides features like traffic management, monitoring, and tracing. Asterisk cons asterisk introduces additional complexity to the infrastructure. Can be resource intensive. 4. Implementing JWT-based S2S authentication, a detailed example. Let's walk through a concrete example of JWT-based S2S authentication. We'll use Python and Flask for simplicity, but the concepts are applicable to other languages and frameworks. Scenario asterisk. We have 2 microservices. Asterisk order service asterisk handles order creation and retrieval. Asterisk product service asterisk provides product information. The order service needs to call the product service to retrieve product details when creating an order. We want to ensure that only the order service can access the product service. Steps asterisk. 1 Authentication service asterisk. Asterisk this service is responsible for issuing JWTs to authorized services. 2 Product service asterisk. Asterisk requires a valid JWT to access its endpoints. Asterisk validates incoming JWTs. 3 Order service asterisk. Asterisk obtains a JWT from the authentication service. Asterisk includes the JWT in requests to the product service. Code examples, Python/Flask. 1. Authentication service, auth_service.py. 2. Product service, product_service.py. 3. Order service, order_service.py. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk authentication service asterisk. Asterisk the /authenticate endpoint receives a service _name and service _secret. Asterisk it validates the credentials, using a hard-coded example for simplicity. In a real application, you would use a database or a more secure mechanism to store and validate service secrets. Asterisk if authentication is successful, it creates a JWT containing the service _name and an expiration time, EXP. Asterisk it signs the JWT using a secret key, secret_key. This key must be kept secret and securely managed. Asterisk it returns the JWT to the requesting service. Asterisk product service asterisk. Asterisk the token _required decorator is applied to the /products endpoint. Asterisk the decorator extracts the JWT from the authorization header. Asterisk it verifies the JWT signature using the same secret underscore key used by the authentication service. Asterisk it also checks if the JWT has expired. Asterisk if the JWT is valid, the decorator allows the request to proceed to the root handler. It optionally attaches the service underscore name from the JWT to the request object, allowing it to be accessed within the root handler. Asterisk if the JWT is invalid or missing, it returns a 401 unauthorized error. Asterisk order service asterisk. Asterisk when an order is created, it first authenticates with the authentication service by sending its service underscore name and service underscore secret. Asterisk if authentication is successful, it receives a JWT. Asterisk it then includes the JWT in the authorization header when making a request to the product service. Asterisk it handles potential errors during the authentication and product retrieval processes. Running the example asterisk. 1. Install the required libraries, pip install flask pyjwt requests. 2. Run each of the Python files in separate terminals. Asterisk Python auth underscore service.py. Asterisk Python product underscore service.py. Asterisk Python order underscore service.py. 3. Send a post request to the order service to create an order. You should see a successful response from the order service, including the product details retrieved from the product service. V. Key considerations and best practices. Asterisk secret key management asterisk protect your JWT signing keys. Use hardware security modules, HSMs, or secure key management services to store and manage these keys. Rotate them regularly. Asterisk JWT expiration asterisk set a reasonable expiration time for your JWTs to minimize the impact of compromised tokens. Use short-lived tokens and refresh tokens if necessary. Asterisk token revocation asterisk implement a mechanism to revoke JWTs if a service is compromised. This could involve a blacklist of revoked tokens. Asterisk auditing asterisk log all authentication and authorization events for auditing and security monitoring purposes. Asterisk least privilege principle asterisk grant services only the minimum necessary permissions. Use fine-grained authorization based on roles or scopes defined in the JWT. Asterisk HTTPS asterisk always use HTTPS for all inter-service communication to encrypt data in transit. Asterisk input validation asterisk validate all data received from other services to prevent injection attacks and other security vulnerabilities. Asterisk rate limiting asterisk implement rate limiting to protect services from denial of service attacks. Asterisk monitoring and alerting asterisk monitor your authentication and authorization systems for suspicious activity and set up alerts for potential security breaches. Asterisk consider a service mesh asterisk for complex microservices architectures. A service mesh can significantly simplify S2S authentication and authorization, as well as provide other valuable features. 6. Advanced topics. Asterisk identity propagation asterisk in complex service chains, you might need to propagate the original user's identity, if any, to downstream services. This can be achieved by including user information in the JWT or by using a separate identity propagation mechanism. Asterisk claims-based authorization asterisk use custom claims in the JWT to represent specific permissions or attributes of the service. This allows for fine-grained authorization decisions based on the claims in the token. Asterisk OAuth 2.0 client credentials grant asterisk a standard OAuth 2.0 flow that is suitable for S2S authentication. One service acts as a client, obtaining an access token from an authorization server using its client ID and secret. Asterisk federated identity asterisk if your microservices need to authenticate with external identity providers, example AWS IAM, Azure Active Directory, you can use federated identity to delegate authentication to these providers. 7. Conclusion. Service-to-service authentication is a critical aspect of securing microservices architectures. Choosing the right strategy and implementing it correctly is essential for protecting your services from unauthorized access and ensuring the integrity of your data. By understanding the challenges, applying best practices, and carefully considering the trade-offs of different approaches, you can build a secure and resilient microservices environment. Remember that security is an ongoing process, and you should continuously monitor and improve your security posture as your system evolves.